Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Venomous Garage. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I had a very exciting day today. I got to shoot a ride-along video with a friend of mine that was 10 years in the making. I'm gonna put a link in the description to this video of a previous ride-along I did with this friend of mine almost 10 years ago. And 10 years ago, I owned a Gen 3 Viper, which was supercharged. And it made about the same horsepower as my current Viper does right now, but of course, this one is a naturally actuated build, whereas the old Viper was a supercharged. I always have a lot of fun when I ride along with him. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go for a ride along. Just listen to the motor when it starts up, right?
I know, man. That's freaking.
Come on, do it.
Yep. Oh, man, it's almost. There you go. That's sick.
Listen to the silent.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that. They come.
You got a nice idle, right?
Man, it's like make my heart pounding, like the sounds. Insane.
So it makes, on 91 out there, I think it makes between 680, 690 horsepower, right?
Yeah.
But you just like you don't even do it, you just set it.
I know, that's what, holy. It's like a Gen 2.
Maybe 2,000-3,000 RPM. You really can't tell.
Yeah.
If there's a, it's got a cam in it and stuff. The cam will only apply when it's loping at idle, right?
Like the sounds. This is like sounds like a Gen 2.
That was crazy.
That's an air there. That's like a lift. That's like the.
Go get it.
Holy moly! This car. You don't need coffee when you drive this.
Yeah, this
is gonna be your coffee.
That's true. Yeah, I just love the
closer to the Gen 2 when they have the
Yeah?
but anything Gen 3 and up, no, it's quiet. But this thing,
It's got good cooler seats, you know, you still got that manual feel to it, right?
well, that's one of the nice part.
So this is just a verbal thing go. Just verbal, right?
Yeah.
Exhaust note is different.
That's how you can tell it's a built motor because the RPM it doesn't jerk.
Yeah,
You downshift it's like smooth.
yeah.
Like you know that it's built for that. It doesn't have that, you know, that like the almost like the sound is distressed. This one is like smooth all throughout.
Good point.
Because you do those downshift to a normal like stock car, you can tell once it go to like 5,000-6,000 RPM, it sounds different anymore.
That's true.
It's like they're in distress. This one is the same sounds, smooth. Did you get into trouble with cops yet on this
No.
one? No.
I don't really do anything on the streets,
Yeah.
right? But usually cops just they admire it more than
Like
anything.
it's
you know?
hard not to do it in this car now. When you're just like open,
You can hear like because of the cam, it's like
Yeah,
a jerk, a
so-
little bit of a
yeah,
jerk on it
yeah.
when I'm in that low,
Yeah.
second gear, right?
well, yeah, it's always like you're gonna have to go.
Oh yeah, that was awesome. I hope that gave you an idea of what it's like to ride shotgun with me when I'm going through the gears in the Viper. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.